In today's video, I will teach you how to move a Lightroom catalog to a new drive for Windows. Let's get started. Moving a Lightroom catalog to a new drive can help manage space or organize your workflow better. Here's a step-by-step guide to safely move your catalog. Before moving the catalog, ensure that Lightroom is closed. This prevents any issues with file corruption or data loss during the move. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to your current Lightroom catalog location. By default, Lightroom stores catalogs in the Pictures folder, or a custom location you may have set. The catalog consists of several files: the main catalog file, the Previews and Smart Previews folders, and backups. On the new drive, create a new folder where you want to store your Lightroom catalog. Then copy the main catalog file and the corresponding Previews folders to the new location. And ensure you copy any backup files or settings you want to keep. Now open Lightroom, and since the catalog has been moved, Lightroom will prompt you with an error that the catalog cannot be found. To relink the catalog, click the Choose a Different Catalog, and navigate to the new location of the main catalog file on your new drive. Then select the new catalog file and click Open. And to verify and adjust preferences, go to Edit, Catalog Settings, and confirm the new catalog location is correct. If you have automatic backup set, ensure that the backup path is updated to reflect the new location. You can adjust this in Catalog Settings, General, then Backup. And if Lightroom doesn't automatically open the new catalog by default, simply go to Edit, then Preferences. Under the General tab in the default catalog section, choose the newly relocated catalog, or select the option to open the most recent catalog. And open several photos, check your edits, and ensure that everything is functioning as expected. If any missing file warnings appear, relink the photos by pointing Lightroom to their new location. And after confirming the new catalog is working properly, you can delete the old catalog files from the original drive to free up space. And ensure you have a backup before deleting. By following these steps, you can smoothly move your Lightroom catalog to a new drive, keeping your workflow organized and efficient. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.